Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Sheesh. Well, we're going to ride some mopeds right now. We're gonna go pick up McLauberson right now with the 89. Go meet up with Chuck. Go on that ride that we went on last time on the path. It's starting to rain right now. Got them loaded up. 89 loaded up. New wheels on the 89. New pipe. Got a bigger V8 pipe on it too.
Seat kind of strange.
The grab bar.
Banging on it.
I like
It's looking good.
seats too.
Yeah, the 89's small everything. About to roll out on the ride, boys. We out here. Yep. You haven't even rode it with the new pipe, huh?
No.
You need to tighten the rear brake. Damn, they got the fast bikes. Out here on the 50, Johnny. McLauberson put a new pipe on his bike. He got the bigger V8 pipe since he has like an 80cc bore. He was running the S23 pipe like I had, but he put a little bigger one on. Yup. Yup. Yes. Yeah. Woo! Picking it up going fast right there, Chuck. Is this dude on a moped? Topping out the 50 on the wheelie. Hey, she was eating. Not happy, 89 right now. Trying to get this thing tuned a little better. I think you guys will be able to see out here tonight. I think last time the moon was out, it was a little brighter. McLaurison's bike's running a little weird right now. He put a new pipe on it, and we didn't get a chance to rejet it and everything before we went riding, so his bike's running kind of weird right now. There's some bunnies out here tonight. This would be so fun if you had like a group ride out here, man. We need to do like an all-nighter moped ride out for all the Vegas mop boys and like meet up here. My boy Wes had the idea. Meet up here super late, super early-ish, like 2 in the morning or something, and then like have everybody mob out all night and then just go get breakfast somewhere and do like a midnight mayhem run or something like crazy. All right, we got the Z125 boys out here too. They just randomly met up with us too. That's sick. They just rolled up, huh? Hey! I got a flat tire. Yeah. Well, boys, we got a flat. We were just about to mob out with all the fucking Grom dudes. Damn! It's done! Because it peeled the bead off. So they had to come through with the whole wheel change. Because your boys were stranded. Been stranded here for like an hour. Had to pull the pipe off, had to take everything off, swap the wheels, fresh tire piece. We got mad grip. We good now. Cole came through with the snacks to save the gang with the donuts and the chips. We got it fixed. We're mobbing back now. Got the Michelin on the back, so we actually hit a little upgrade piece real quick.
I thought you ran it over too.
I hit a gnarly bump back there and then my airbox fell off. So flat tire and then airbox fell off. Had to make another stop, fix that, but got the show back on the road. We're rolling out now. Someone's gonna run out of gas next. I call it. Someone's running out of gas. Fucking son of... Alright, that's gonna do it for this ride out video. We had some bad luck on that ride. My tire popped, we got that fixed, and on the way back my airbox fell off. could not get my airbags to stay mounted because all the tabs broke. So I had to like crazy zip tie it, and it barely worked. And it was just a pain in the ass, and I had to get another airbox from my boy Cole. Now the 50's ready to go. I'm just waiting until Scooter Swap Shop gets more Pliny Corsa kits, and I'm gonna put a Pliny Corsa 72 on this thing. I need to do that ASAP because the 50's just not cutting it when I'm riding with the boys who's got the 72. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys check the description. As always, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.